is Sonya with Artsy Solutions, and I have a new digital kit that's out, and it's called Summer in the City, and it's part of a collab that I'm doing with the fabulous Pham from Livies Lovelies and from Thelisha from Where Baking and Crafting Meet. And all of us, we have created like a Summer in the City like theme, reminiscent of like our childhood and things that we did when we went on vacation, and the landscapes, that, you know, just the fun stuff about the city. So mine has more of a, I guess, like a more of a urban, using more primary colors, using in the street type stuff. Mine and Thelisha's, and Pham's is a little bit softer, you know, but they're all fun in the city, or summer in the city. And they're all fun. You can just use them for your vacation themed journals, scrapbooks, all kinds of fun things like that. So let me show you the pages that come in the kit. And then I also made this little, it's just a little one-page paper thing that goes into a journal. I'll show you after I show the paperwork. I mean the pages and ephemera that come in my kit. And I'm also going to have a discount for 30% off, and I'm going to have a coupon code. It's going to be inside this video, so if you're interested in getting the digital for mine on my Multimedia Crafts digital Etsy shop, I'll have a link in the description for my shop, and I'll also have the coupon code up in here in the video as well. So I just wanted to show you what all comes in the kit. You get a lot of ephemera. You get, let me just show you. So you get this not a word sheet. You get this envelope template, and then this tag, and then you get some ephemera. Now what I did, I have an inkjet printer, so I printed this off on cardstock, just 110-pound cardstock. But I also printed it out on OHP paper, and I just wanted to show you kind of the difference of the clarity in some of the elements with the OHP paper, and how much better, or to me, how much clearer it is with the OHP paper. And then you can also use, what do you call it, vellum, you know, printed out on different stuff. I just wanted to kind of show, you know, the variations. And then you can use a laser printer too. I'm sure it'll be a whole lot better. But and this is what the packet of the OHP paper looks like. And I had ordered this from Amazon like last year sometime. And I'll leave a link in the description. And no, I don't get any type of money from it. It's just showing you something that I use. So that's one of the ephemera sheets. And then you get another ephemera sheet that has, you know, like journal cards and other little elements and things like that on it. And then you get another one, and you get like some smaller tags, and, you know, just little different things that are representative of the kit. And a lot of these same images are on your journal pages. And then you get a sheet of words, you know, like hopscotch, double dutch, all those little things that relate to the city and stuff like that. And I put them in 3 different colors. That way you can kind of work them in however you like with your kit. And then you get like the book plate, and then the banner and the flower. And then we have some 5x7 journal cards. And yes, they look kind of plain, but they match. So we have that. And is this upside down? Oh, I had some extra papers in here. We'll just take that out. Make my stack look super thick. Move that out of the way. So, so that's your ephemera over there, your journal cards and your word sheets and your cut aparts. And then here are our journal pages. You have 10 journal pages. And so here's one of them. And it just has, you know, different scenery, stuff like that. And a lot of these I use from actual photos, and I just kind of added to them in Photoshop. Now I print this out on vellum. And I went to Staples and got my vellum, and it's specifically made for, it says it's compatible with most inkjet printers, inkjet and laser printers, so it's translucent, and I wanted to see if it gave like a more crisp, you know, look compared to like just cardstock. Because sometimes inkjets, they are convenient, but yeah, sometimes you don't always get the best quality picture or image when it's printed out. So that's why I like to use different types of things, the OHP paper and the vellum, just to kind of see how it would look. And then here we have another one. Let me just put this white up against it. And this was also from an original photo that I just kind of edited. This is in the park, and so I just kind of created like a scenery of some of the things you see in a park. And we have like an amusement park where you have your big old candy, you have some popcorn, ice cream, tickets, and then you have like another ticket at the museum, candy, apple, cola, you know, little stuff like that, sweets and fun stuff, you know. And then you have like a little train, cafe. Here's another one. It's another little scenery. This is from an original photo that I just kind of edited and just added in a few things in here. And I drew this, drew and painted that, and added in the word go. Then we have our little fire hydrant with the water coming out, and background city, skyscrapers and whatever. Then we have this. We have the little kids outside playing double dutch. Then we have like bubblegum in a dish. How many pieces do you wish? That's when I was little. We used to, when we jump rope, we'd have little sayings and little whatever they're called to go with it. Our little jump rope things, little rhymes and stuff. I thought that was fun. You have your little snow cones and your drink and your stop sign and stuff like that. Then I printed this out on vellum also. You have your, like a little squirrel. Sometimes you'll see a squirrel out in the park. And you have your Java. You know, just little things like that. Cafe. And then I have like kind of like a brick background, because a lot of the stuff in the city, or at least the way I grew up, that's what you see, is a lot of concrete, brick, stuff like that. And then this is just kind of a plain page. Then you can add other elements on there so it wouldn't look so busy. And then you have this, another one, kind of like brick background, just, you know. So those are your pages. And I'm going to make some more projects out of these, out of this kit, and out of, we're baking and crafting meat, Thelisha, and then also from Livies Lovelies Pham. So you'll see a few more videos coming up soon with me making more projects out of their kits. So let me show you what I made. So this is what I made for the collaboration. It's just this one little old page, and basically all I did was I just took some manila file folder, made some tags, did a little stenciling, and I did that. Only made like 4 tags using the manila envelope, and only stenciled on this one. So this comes out, and you have like, this is a tuck spot, and this comes from my kit, and this paper is also from my kit, the sheet. And this one's from Thelisha's kit, we're baking and crafting meat. This is from Thelisha, Fun in the Sun. Then you have your little tricycle, then there's like a cola and a candy apple. And then this opens up like so. And then we have row houses. Actually, that's on this journal card. So this was the solid journal card, and I just kind of added things on there. So there are a couple of things. This one's from my kit. This one's from Pham's kit, Livies Lovelies. And this is also from her kit. These two are hers. This is a graphic 45, and I liked how it had like New York, Berlin, London, you know, just different cities. Then you flip it over, and you've got like a little tuck spot here. And we're just going to, that tucks down in there. And I just use, this one's from Pham's kit. These three are from my kit. And then this is also from my kit. Cafe is from my kit. And so this is a tuck spot. And this was from an original photo. What I did was I printed this out on vellum. And this is just the scenery of a park, you know, a walk in the park. This was taken from when I went to South Carolina. And I just took a picture of the grounds of their Capitol building. And so when you come over here, this is just a picture of my son. And I printed him out on OHP paper using an inkjet printer. Because when it's up against white, it really shows a lot more crisp. And then you can kind of see it better. He's at the park. This is when he was probably 2 or 3 years old maybe. And then I just added stop. And then I added a pocket here. Just a pocket back here. And this right here is just some junk mail. This brown envelope, it was just from junk mail. And if you look closely, you can see where I kind of glued it together, which I'm going to put something else back there, but this is just the starter, because this was just a tuck spot anyway. So then this flips back over. Oh, and I had added an eyelet here. I just did a hole punch, added eyelets and some string. Okay, and then you have a tuck spot back here. And like I said, this is from one of my pages. And it's like they're at a carnival. You have your big old candy, your popcorn, your ice cream. And this is from my kit, and this is from Thelisha's kit. And I just did a little, I went over it with an ink pen and used my glossy accents like I always do. That's glossy accents. And that's pretty much it. And, oh, I forgot about this. Yeah, this envelope also comes with my kit. And then I added urban landscape on there. And then I cut this out of one of the pages. It's like a post lamp, or lamp post, whatever you call it. And then you have your cute little squirrel and Java. Yeah. So we put something down in there. So this is pretty much it. It's just a simple little old project to show you our kits. So I'll have a link in the description for mine, Thelisha's, and Pham's, each one of their links to their shops as well as their YouTube videos, so you can see what comes in each one of our kits. So make sure you go over and check them out. Check out all of our Facebook groups. Mine is Multimedia Crafts Digital Facebook group. Pham's is the Maker Exchange, and Thelisha's is Where Baking and Crafting Meet. And like I said, I'll have a link in the description for all of us in our social media. And go and check out each one of these kits. And I'm going to have a coupon code hidden inside the video for those who watch this video, so that you can get like a 30% discount. So I hope you guys like this, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, click like, share, leave a comment, check out my other videos and my blog and social media sites, and as always, I thank you guys so much for watching.